Hello my fellow networkers, it's Moana Lee here from the Get Traffic 3.0 networking community. I know a lot of you have now purchased the MLM Celebrity Pages Fanpage Generator software program, and a few of you are having some problems. So I'll address a couple of those problems with you on this video. First problem is, if you're not able to view the videos for the tutorials, try changing your browser. I've tried viewing one of the tutorials on Internet Explorer and it took so long to upload. I ended up exiting out of it. So either use Google Chrome or Firefox, okay? Now the second issue is, some of you are having problems with trying to upload your fan page to your Facebook fan page, okay, trying to publish it. There is a technical issue with that, so if you have a message that says an error server problem has occurred, you need to lodge a support ticket, okay, with technical support. The sooner they receive it, the sooner they'll be able to rectify those types of problems. Now, lastly, there's a huge issue with trying to find the HTML code from your autoresponder to add into a couple of the designs for your fan pages. So I'm going to walk through some step-by-step instructions on how to get those HTML codes. Okay, so I use Aweber. I also use GetResponse. So this video will be the HTML codes within Aweber. So let's go straight there. Alright, so I've already logged into my Aweber account. What you do is you now select web forms, go halfway down the page and create a web form. Alright, so we're not worrying about trying to choose one of these templates, okay, because we're not using the form, we just need the HTML code. So it comes up with a default form. We're not doing any editing, so we'll go ahead and save that web form. Great. Then we're going to go to step 2. And this is the settings page. So you need to name your web form. So name it appropriately to whatever campaign you're working on at the moment. Okay, so mine is called Test 1. Now, there is an option here for a thank you page. Now, I use thank you pages sometimes, and sometimes I don't. Okay, so just for this tutorial, I'm not going to use a thank you page. What I am going to do is, I'm going to use a custom page. Now, this is where you would have a website or blog site, and after the subscriber has put in their details, we'll go straight to that site, okay? So, for example, I'm going to type in www.google.com. Alright, now I want this to open in a new window. And there you go. Don't worry about the already subscribed page, just leave that as basic version. Save the web form. And go to the final step, which is step 3. Now, we're not getting Aweber to host this form because we're not using the form, and same with the web designer. What we want are the HTML codes. So let's select I will install my form, which brings up two types of forms here. We've got JavaScript snippet and raw HTML version. So this is the version we want. We want to scroll down here and untick this box because we don't need the form styles. We're just after the data. Okay, so we're going to select all of that and copy. And go back to Get Traffic. Click on Facebook fan page. Choose the design that we want. So we have 4 different designs here, okay? We have 2 video upload designs and we have 2 ebook or report designs. We need the HTML for the video ones. Okay, so I'll just choose design A, which brings up our customize page. So of course you would have your title all sorted, your introduction copy, your headline, so that's the offer, you know, wow, 5 free training videos, you know, anything that's going to benefit the subscriber to read on or watch the video. Here you would put your YouTube ID, which is everything after the V equals sign, okay? Now we're going to customize your text under the video, so this is your call to action. So put the headline there and your sub-headline. Now this is where we insert our HTML code from our autoresponder. Okay, and the last one is your button text, so which relates to this. So you know, you might want to put submit or click here now or click here to find out more. Okay, so whatever you want to add in there, you just do that. Now I've not got anything in here because that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose is the HTML code and where the subscriber will go to once they've completed this opt-in page here, okay? This opt-in box. Alright, so let's preview the changes. Now you know you can't save this, alright? You cannot save these changes that you make. When you publish it, it will then go to another screen. It'll go under My Pages, and that's where you'll be able to go through, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in the name, which is Tracy, and an email address. I'll just use one. Enter that and submit, and this should take you to the Google. Okay, so I typed in that thank you URL, www.google.com, and it's gone directly to the Google page. So there you go. That's where you get your HTML code from. It's 3 simple steps within Aweber. It's the same with GetResponse. Once you've got your code, bring it back to your fan page and customize it. Add it into your HTML code box, and then just test it out. Okay, so there you go. My next video will be how to get your HTML code from GetResponse. Right, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope that's helped you. Thanks.